At ecoligo, we have exciting news to announce. We're celebrating the market entry into a new country, Thailand. The 800 kilowatt peak solar energy project, which is one of our largest to date, is supplying clean, affordable energy to Excellent, a manufacturing company of the southern region of Thailand. What does this mean for you? As a special thank you, if you're investing into the project on the crowd investing platform ecoligo.investments, we're offering you a market entry bonus of an additional 1% interest. Also, you're able to benefit from impact as of day one, since the project is already installed. And for those of you that have already invested in other projects, this is a great opportunity to diversify your investment. We entered Vietnam as a market earlier in 2020, and we saw a huge demand for clean, affordable energy. Since then, we were able to increase our impact, to decrease the carbon emissions, and to further accelerate the energy transition in the country. We see that there is great potential in Southeast Asia as a region, and we hope that you will join us in making our first project in Thailand a success.